Yeah, today we are discussing RRB officer scale 1 prelims, quantity aptitude, grant is 62. We'll go for the questions directly. So look at the first one, 41 to 45. We have a directions based on the table. They are given a such a employees, bank employees is a clerk, scale officer, bank manager, chief manager, and GM. Their basic pay and DA, HRA, special allowances, transport allowance, total money based they are given. So if you need the gross salary, what you have to do? Basic pay plus sum of the allowances. This all the terms are all the rows are added. You will get the their salaries. Clerk salary you need means you have to add it all the terms. Then to understand the data, this is the concept. Coming to the questions directly. So here questions wise, this is the first one. Yes. So if the clerk is working in a cash department working as a single window operator, only the single window operator, he earns additional pays 8% of basic pay. His basic pay is 1600. In this 1600, he is ready to get extra 8% extra. 8% extra means 10% is 1600, 8% means 1680. He will get 1280 rupees extra. He is getting 1280 rupees extra, 8% of 1600. Only basic pay wise he is getting extra. Then what was his salary is become? Then what will be the gross salary? Total salary is become how much? Comparing to this total salary, he is getting how much rupees extra? 1280. We have to add it. First of all, we have to add it this all the column values. So 16,000 and 11,000, it is a 27,000. 27,000 plus 1,000 and 40 will be added to 60. It is a 1,000 and 1,000 plus 1,000. It is a 2,000. It is becoming 29,000 and 450 plus 8. It is a 1250. And look at here is also you should consider 1250. For example, 1250 plus 1250 it is a 2,500. 2,500 plus extra 30, 2,530. 2,530 you should add it to 29,000. It is becoming 31,508. 30. So 31,530. Our option is what here? C here. Then let's move for the next question. Here, question number 42. Before 11th bipartite settlement, BM earned a maximum salary of 54,025. So find the percentage increment salary of BM 11th pay. So in 11th scale wise, he is getting a more salary. Then before the 11th scale, this is the total scale is belongs to 11th scale wise. Then 54,025. Here 54,025 rupees means 34,000 and 20,000 remove it. Extra it is how much rupees? 4,500. And remember it extra we have to remove 25 also from here. So 4,500 and 2,500, 7,000, 7,050 and 9, 8,000 and 9,000, 9,050 and minus 25 extra plus extra values added 60 plus 20 it is a 1,000 plus 80 1,800. Then finally it is becoming 10,825. 10,825 salary is extra comparing to 54,025. Here is total salary added, you will get extra how much rupees? 10,825. So 10,825 comparing to 54,025, how much rupees percentage increased? Look at 54,025 rupees means it is a 10 percentage value is 5,402.5. Okay, 10 percentage value, but it is a 10,000. 5,000 become a 10,000 means how much percent is incremented? 20% is incremented. So how much percent is answer? 20% is answer. Option A. And next question, find the ratio of percentage DA for scale 1 officer to the percentage HRA for GM. So percentage DA, we need percentage DA for scale 1 officer. Scale 1 officer here DA is how much rupees? 19,000 by 27,000. We need percentage multiply 100. This is ratio to another percentage HRA for GM. So HRA for GM means GM HRA value is 3,200. 3,200 by here GM na GM 4175 4175 by so 62,000 comparing to his basic salary 62,500. We need percentage here is multiply with 100. Cancel the numbers here, 0000 cancel. Here is 0000 cancel. 25 5 5 you can cancel with 5 5 it is a 525 5 8 and 5 3 and 5 5 again cancel with 5 525 and 5 here 1 remaining is 30 5 6 and 5 7 167 by 25 you are getting. Here is terms you should multiply 25 into 19 and 27 into 167. So when you are going to multiplying these values you will get an answer. So look at here 25 into 19. 25 into 19 here is 00 is there. 25 into 19 means 25 20s are which is equal to 500. So but 25 into 19 is equal to 475 but extra 2 zeros. extra 2 zeros, percentage 2, here 167 is multiplied to 27, 7 sevens are 49. That means here is whatever the value you are comparing, both side also not calculated, not cancelled. That means your answer is this. You can observe the options wise, you can't get it, then answer is what here? None of this for us answer. Then coming to the next one, question number 44. Find the difference between basic pay and sum of the DA and HRA earned by all the scale officers. Then how to calculate? Look at, from the 16,000, 11,000 will be removed. So this total pay value, from pay value we have to remove it. DA and HRA both are added and remove it. 11,000 plus 1,450, it is a 12,450. 12,450 removing from the 16,000, you will get here the 3,550. Plus next, from the 27,000, 19,000 and 2,000, overall it is a 21,000. 21,000 removing from the 27,000 to 6,000. From 6,000, 150 will be removed, will get 5,850. And next, from the 34,000, 24,000 and 25,000, 24,500, it is a 2,500. So 2,500 added to 4,500, it is equal to 27,000. 27,000 remove it first of all, it is become a remaining is 7,000. From 7,050 will be removed, will get 6,950. Plus next, from 48,000, 32,000 will be removed, will get what is the value? So 16,000. From 16,000, 3,000 remove it, 13,000. From 13,200 remove it, will get 2,800. So plus here, from the 62,500, 41,750 will be going to remove, and extra 4,175 also. 41,000 and 4,000, it is a 45,000. 45,000 removing from the 62,000, remaining is 17,000. It is a 17,500. 750 plus 175, which is equal to 875. So 875. So 875, 750 plus 75, which is 825. 825 we have to remove it. 750 and 100. So 900. So extra 25. 925 we have to remove it here. So look at, from the 17,500, 500 remove it, we'll get 17,000. From 17,000, extra 425 remove it. From 17,000, 425 will be removed, we'll get 16,575. We should have added all the terms to getting an answer. So here 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, it is a 5, and 7 plus 0, 7 plus 5, it is a 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 5 is 22. 2 carry forward is 2, 2 plus 5, it is a 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 8, so 32, 32 plus 5, 37, it is a 725. So only one option is contained, 45,725. Then option is what? B here. Let's move for the next. A person worked as a chief manager for the last 3 years. He got a promotion as well as salary increment. Find the new gross salary of the gross salary of, if the earns additional basic pay of 4,250. Who is that person? Chief manager. So he is a chief manager. 4,800 extra is getting these values, 4,250 and 3,100. So this is a 4,800. He is getting extra 4,250, 4,000 and 3,000, which is equal to 7,000, and 250 and 150, 350, 350 plus 460, 350 plus 460, it is 810. That means till now he is getting 7,810 extra, and till it is a HRA, up to HRA he is getting this. So remaining he is incremented by 10% extra. 244 plus 286. 244 plus 286. That is a 10% extra. 244 and 286 added, 200, 200, it is a 400. 40 plus 80, which is equal to 120, it is a 520, 530. Is extra getting 530 from this 10%, 10%. Now we have to add a total value. 48,000 and 32,000, it is a 80,000. Till now it is a 80,000, and 3,000 and 4,000, 3,200 and 2,800, which is equal to 6,000. 6,000, it is a 8,000. 8,000 added to 8,440. 8,440 plus 60. So 8,500. 8,500 and 88,500. This is the total. This is the incremented value, and this is his overall salary. Then added value, 500 and 500, which is 1,000. 1,000 it added to 7,000, it is a 8,000. 8,000 and 88,000, 96,000. Till now what is the value? 96,000. Only one option is contained, 96,000 case. So here 96,000, and here the extra 810. 810 plus 30, 840, 96,840. Then option D here. So let's move for the next simplification question. So 40 percentage of 300, 43 is a, it is a 120 minus 60 percentage of 650. We can write it is a 1300 and we can write 30. 13 3 is a, it is a 390 plus 14 4 is a, so its value is what, 56. Okay, it is a 560. Then these are all are added to getting an answer from 120. Here the 400 remove it. 400 remove from the 560. You will get what is the value? 160. 160. But we are not removing 400. We are removing 390 only. That means you will get 170. 170 plus 120, which is equal to 290. Then option A. And next one here, 2880 divided by 32. So 2880 divided by 32 plus 12 percentage. 12 percentage value is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 of 800, it is equal to 100 and x into 19. Root of 361, which is equal to 19. And cancel the numbers here. 4 we can cancel, or 8 you can try, or 4. 4 8 ja and 4 7 ja and 4 2 ja in 0. 8 to 720, how many times? It is a 8 to 720, 90 times. And 19 into 100, so 190 and 19x. Then 19 cancel, x is equal to what is answer? 10. Next, 658 divided by 2209. 2209 means it is equal to 47 plus 3132 and root of 7569. 7569 means it is a 8 square, 64, 9 square is 81. It is a 8 and it is a near to 7. It is 7 and 8 into 25. And you try to cancel the values. 47 ones are 47. Remaining it is a 6 times. So 47 ones are 47. 7 became a 8. 7 8s are, so 7 4s are, okay, 7 4s are 28. Okay, so 14 times. 87 again it is cancelled here. 87 to 313, how many times? 5 8s are applied, you will get. So 4 8s are, it is also 32. It is 3 and 7, how many times? It is a 6 times. It is a 6 times. 36 plus 14. Here the 36 plus 4. 7 become a 2 means compulsory it is a multiples of 3. And 36 plus 14 it is a 50. 50 is divisible by 25. Then x is equal to what is answer? 2. And next 24 into root of 25. 25 value is 5. 5 into 24 it is a 120 plus so equal to x plus root of 3600 it is a 60 minus 22 percentage of 150. 150 percentage of 22 also. Then 100 percentage 22 and extra 50 percentage 11, it is becoming 33. And here from the 66, 60, 33 will be removed, you will get 27. 27 is also we have to remove from the 120. So 27 is removing from the 120 minus 27. 20 removing it is 100. 100 minus 1, 93. Then option B. Next, 31.25 percentage. Basically, remember it. 6.25 percentage is equal to 1 by 16. Both side multiply with 5. You will get 31.25 percentage. 5 by 16 into 480 plus 14.28 percentage is equal to 1 by 7 of 210, which is equal to x minus 90. Then 16 to 48 3 times. 35 is a 150. 7 how many times? It is a 30. Here, which is equal to x minus 90. 530 is a 150. 150 plus 30, 180. 180 is minus 90, it is added. It is a 270. Then option is D. Next, an express train starts from Bareilly at 7 o'clock and reaches 11 o'clock. That means his journey is 4 hours. And here the another train is same day another express train starts from Jaipur 9 o'clock and 12:30. It is a 3.5 hours. Then 4 hours and 3.5 hours means it is a divisibility number. Take a LCM. The divisibility number is 28 kilometer. Assume it. 28 kilometers 4 hours means it is equal to how many kilometer per hour? So 7 kilometer per hour and it is 8 kilometer per hour. And both are the starting times are not same. Try to make that both are the starting times are same. Okay, how you make it equal? Simple. Which is the train is started firstly, then complete it. Then first train started 7 o'clock, second train started 9 o'clock. First train started 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. How many journey was completed? 2 hours journey completed. 2 7 means 14 kilometers already completed. Remaining journey is how many kilometers? 14. Then train is from the Bareilly, which is the train is started. Now train is here. Then this is the train. Both are in opposite direction. Compulsory they will meet inside of the 14 kilometers. their speeds are going to add it, it is a 15. 7 plus 8, it is a 15. 14 by 15 is equal to, and the time is required is not getting 1 hour also, because 15 by 15 you will get 1. But 14 by 15 means you will get a decimal, convert into minutes, 60 minutes. 14 by 15 you will get a time, convert into minutes, cancel the value. 14 for the extra 56 minutes. Then second train started 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock plus extra 56 minutes. 9 o'clock 56 minutes means 9 is to 56 a.m. Then next, ABC started a business with their investment 1 is to 2 is to 4. 1 and 2 and 4. After the 6 months, A invested half of amount more. Half of amount more means already 1 rupee plus extra 1.5 rupee. And B invested double the amount as before. That means 2 rupees, it is becoming 4 rupees. And next, while C withdraw 1 by 4. So out of 4 rupees, 1 by 4 rupees withdraw means remaining is how much rupees? 3 rupees. Then 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5. 2.5 double is 5. And 2 plus 4 is double 6. And 4 plus 3 double 14. Then final ratio 5 is to 12 is to 14. Option C. Next, if 6 boys or 14 girls can do a piece of work in 18 days, then find the number of days required to complete the work by 21 boys and 21 girls. How to do a calculation? So simple, it is a 18 days, we have to take time, and what was the value is required, we have to write it these two values, and boys value and girls value, what was the initially they are mentioned, when they are mentioned R, you have to do this. Then cancel the terms, 7 2s are 7 3s are 3 2s are 3 7s are 7 plus 3 is 10, so 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is equal, the 2 will be multiplied here, it is a 18 by 5, otherwise we can write 18 by 5. If they are given a mixed fraction, try to write a mixed fraction, 3 by 5 days, then 3 5 days, then option C here. Next, in a test match, sum of Sachin's score plus 2/3 of Sehwag's score, which is equal to 50, but sum of the Sehwag score plus 2/3 of Sachin's score is 70. Then from here to here remove it, then 70 minus 50, 70 minus 50, which is equal to 20, and SH minus 2 by 3 SH, you will get 1 by 3 SH Sehwag, and S minus 2 by 3 S, you will get 1 by 3 S. Then here the 3 will be multiplying here, this is 3 is common. Then what is the question they are asking here, the difference they are asking, na? So difference means here is minus, it is going to minus. Here 1 by 3 is common, 3 will be multiplied, SH minus S is equal to what is the score, the difference is 60, then option C. Next, question number 55, when 1/5 of number X is added to 118, which is equal to Y square, but Y square value mentioned in second line, if 1/8 of Y is equal to 2.5, 2.5 means it is a 1/8 of Y is equal to 2.5 means 1/8 will be multiplied to 2.5. So 2.5 double 5, 5 double is 10, 10 double is so 20. That is, it is a value is 20, 20 square. Then y value is 20, y square they are mentioned, it is a 20 square. 20 square value 400. From 400, 118 will be going to removing. 400 minus 100, it is a 300. From 318 remove it, will get 282. This 282 is multiplied with 5 because it is a 1 by 6. X is equal to 282 into 5. 2 into 5, it is a 1000. 8 into 5, 400. 1400, 1410. Then option C. Next, we have a data for the pie chart base. So look at pie chart shows the percentage of valid votes obtained by 7 candidates of a college. So who were nominated for the post of college secretary, and 5,000 total votes. How many votes total? Remember it, 5,000. And it is given that 7% votes were invalid. How many votes are invalid? 7%. In 5,000, 7% votes are invalid means 350 votes are invalid. How many votes are invalid? 350. 7% of 7% of 5. 7 5 is 35. 1 0 is extra, 350. 350 will be removed from the 5,000. 4650 is valid, and invalid is how much? 350. 350 plus 4,650. Total polled votes is how much? 5,000 votes. These valid votes they are sharing. This all the percentage 100% is sharing by valid votes only. Valid votes is shared by how many members? This all the A to G members. Nothing but it is 7 members are sharing, which is shared by 4,650 only after the removing 350 invalid votes. So directly we'll move for the question. Here, what is the first question here? So the question wise, and here these values are there. Valid votes obtained by AEF together is how much more than the valid votes obtained by remaining 4 candidates? AEF. A is 16%. A is how much percentage? 16 percentage. A is 16 percentage. And next here E. E is 18 percentage. 16 plus 18, which is 34 percentage. Then F. F is 20 percentage. Till now it is a 34 plus 20. It is a 54. 54 percentage shared by AEF means out of 100 percentage, the remaining 46 percentage shared by remaining all the persons. Just no need to add the remaining. AEF will be removing from the 100 percentage of pie chart. Remaining value will get 46 percentage. Then valid votes obtained by remaining 4 candidates. Valid votes is how much? Here 4650. That's we have to take the value. Valid votes obtained by AEF together is how much percentage more than how much percentage more. Here they are getting 54 percentage and they are getting 46 percentage. Difference is how much percentage? So here 8 percentage. 8 percentage is a difference. They are getting a 8 percentage extra. Is how much more than the valid votes obtained by remaining 4 candidates. Then these persons are getting 8 percentage extra. 8 percentage of 4650. 8 percentage of 4650. We should multiply here. Percentage wise, 2 zeros going to cancel. 8 into 0, 0 and 0. These two will be cancelled. 4 6 are 48. 48 plus 4. 48 plus 4 is equal to 52. Carry forward is 5. And 8 4s are 32. It is a, so 372. 372 watts. That means nothing but option B here. And next question. The sum of difference between valid votes obtained by candidates who got highest and lowest number of votes. Who got highest and lowest? 22% is highest out of all the numbers and lowest is 4%. 22% and 4% some value is required. So that sum of difference between valid vote obtained by candidate who got highest and lowest. 22 minus 4, which is equal to here 18 percentage. 22 minus 4, it is a 18 percentage number of votes and this is a sum of here difference between valid votes obtained by candidate who got second highest. Second highest is 20 percentage and second lowest is 8 percentage. 20 minus 8 percentage, it is a 12 percentage. This is we require as a sum. This is 18 percentage plus 20 percentage is got who got second highest and second lowest. Number of votes is what percentage of total votes. Total votes clearly we are known. It is a how many votes? 5000. We need percentage multiply with 100. This is valid votes. It is valid for how many votes? 5640. 4650. This is we have to cancel it. Double triple zero and double zero and zero cancel. 5 will be going to cancel the numbers. So 5 how many times? 30. 30 means it is a how many times? 6 times. 6 will be multiply. 6 5s are 30. Carry forward is 3. 6 6 are 36. It is a 9. Carry forward is 3. 6 4s are 24. Here 24 plus 3 it is a 7. 27. 27.9 percentage option A here. And move for the next. 93 votes F are shifted to whom so that votes of F and that candidate become equal. So who is becoming equal? 93 votes. Look at valid votes are 4650. Okay. In this 4650, 1% is value 46.5. Okay. 1% is value 46.5 and 2% is value 93. 46.5 double value 93. That means this is it is equal to 1% and 93 votes is equal to 2%. This 93 votes is equal to how much percentage? Comparing to 4650 valid votes, 93 votes is belongs to 2%. That means we have to balance the 2%. And look at F. F is trying to donating his votes to whom? First option G. So 2% is donating. So 2% is donating. It is a G. From the 20%, 2% is donating to G 8%. It is a 10%. It is a 18%. Both are equal or not equal? Not equal. And coming to the E. E here is 2% is removing from the F and it is added to E. It is becoming 20 now, but it is 18. Both are not equal. And coming to A, 20% and 16%. From F, 2% is remove it and donating to A now. 16% plus 2% is 18%. Already 2% is removed from the F, it is becoming 18%. Then, which is a candidate is equal to F? A. Who is the candidate equal? Then A candidate equal the letter which is A. Okay. Then coming to the next question, option C is correct here. Next. If 50 votes are reduced from votes of each candidate, then find the ratio of remaining votes for D and F together to the remaining votes of for A and F together. So here the 50 votes. In 5000 votes, okay, in 5000 votes, 50 votes is 1%, just 1%. Okay, coming to the 4650 also, maybe it will get 1.2 percentage, like, okay, just the difference of 1.2 percentage. That's why, just sense of thinking wise, we have to go with directly values. Look at, find the ratio of remaining votes of D and F together. D and F, D and F means, look at, directly I am going 12 and F 20, 20 plus 12, it is a 32. 32, it is ratio to remaining votes of A and E together. E and E together means here 16 and it is 18. 16 and 18 means 34. We have to calculate this 32 by 34. Okay, so every candidate 50 50 50 50 50 50 removing. As for this, every candidate we are going to calculating same thing. Here the removing, here the minus 50, here minus 50, here minus 50, minus 50. Everything we are commonly is separating, and I'm removing percentage wise. 50 votes is something percentage, that is removing value is also same. Then ratio wise it is going to similarly equal, not exactly, similarly equal. Then approximately I'm calculating 32 by 34. It is a 16 and it is a 17. If you are calculating thoroughly, 17 how many times? Of course, 17 is not cancelled. That's why we'll take 0 point. It is becoming 160 now. 17 how many times? 9 times. It is becoming 153. 153 means remaining is 7. 70. That means 17 fours. That means you will get what is answer? 0.94. Ratio they are given 0.5 ratio. 0.5 ratio means nothing but 1 by 2. 0.4 ratio, it is equal to 4 by 10. That is, you can write 2 by 5. Okay, when decimals they are given, we should convert into fraction. Fractions given, we can convert into decimals. Here they are asking decimals means the fraction we should convert into decimals. Our answer is finally 0.94. Next one, question number 16. The average of votes obtained by BDFG together is approximately what percentage of the total votes? Total votes value is required. Total votes value is required. So what we are doing? A, C and removing. It is a A and C. Retake. Yeah, retake. Question number 60. The average of votes obtained by BDF and G together approximately what percentage of total votes? Valid votes of BDF G we required. That means we have to remove A and C removing. A and C is equal 20. 20% is removing, it is valid equal to 80%. 80% of 4650. In this we required average. We are dividing with 5. But this is overall comparing with 5000. We need percentage multiply with 100. It's going to cancel to getting an answer. Look at 3 zeros and 000 cancel. 5 9s are 35 and 5 3s are. Again cancel with 5. 5 how many times? 16 times. And 16%. 16% means we'll get 16 by 100. Then 16%, 16 9s are 144, 16 3s are 48. It is a 48, 8 and 4 and okay. It is a 14.88%. 48.88% is approximately near to how much percentage? 15%. Option B. And next we have a directions based on the here the odd man out. So odd one out value wise. So go for the simplification. Number series 36 to 50. Here is how much added? 14 added. And 50 to 76 how much added? It is a 26 added. And 76 become a 120. It is a 24 and 20. It is a 44 added. And next 120 becomes 176 is a 56 added. 176 became a 256. It is a 70 added. Okay. So mostly it is a difference is given. We have to make the constant difference. So it is a 14 gap. Here is it is 14 gap, and here the gap is 44 and 56, and here is also make the 14. It is become a 28. Here is make the, look at here the difference is 12. Here the difference is 18. Here the difference again 12. That means here the 12, here the 12, here the 18 means you have to make the equal batch for the 14 here. So here 14, here 14, here we have to balance it 14 14 12 18 12 is there. That is 4 2 will be separate distributing to previous and next number. Then it is finally 14 14 14. Look at now 28 plus 14, it is a 42. When 76 plus 42 added, it is so 118 118. And 50 plus 28 added, it is not a 76, it is a 78. 78 plus 42, it is a 120. That means wrong number is 76. Option E. And next 20 became a 28. So it is 8 added. 28 became a 44. How much added it is? So 16 added. 8 double is 16. Maybe it is a 44 became a 76. It is a 32 added. 8 double 16, 16 double 32 till now. And we can take 64. Yes, exactly. It is a clear. Then 128 added. 128 added, it is not 270. Then option is, so 270 wrong number. Next question number 63. Next question. So 12 plus 19, 31. Okay, so 19 plus 31, 50. 31 plus 50, 81, but it is 83. Our logic is wrong. As logic wise it is 83 is wrong, then correct number is 81. 81 plus 50 is both are added, it is a 151. 81 plus 131, it is a 212. Exactly, it is a clear, then wrong number is 83 and option C. Let's move for the next question. Number 64. 15 became a 17 means 2 added. 17 became a 23 means here is 6 added. 23 became a 35, 12 added. 35 became a 55, 20 added. Here what is the number added? 25 added. What is the wrong series? Look at 2 became a 6. 2 became a 6 means 4 added. 6 became a 12 means 6 added. 12 became a 20 means 8 added. 20 became a something number means we should add it 10. It is 30. It is 30 added means it is not 80. It is a 85. Then wrong number is what? C here. Next series 12, 18, 36. Here 12 into 1.5 and 18 into 2 and 36 into 2.5. So 36 plus 36, 72 plus 18. Yes, exactly. And into 3. And here is into 3.5. 5 into 0, 0. One decimal will be cancelled. It is not getting a 975. Our wrong number is what? 975. Next we have a direction 66 to 70 based on the quadrivision. Let's go for the factors. 360 we can write 12 30 is a 12 and 30, and we have a factors minus minus. So minus plus is always giving plus plus finally. So 12 comma 30, 12 plus 30 it is a 42, 12 into 30 is 360 and it is minus 80. Minus 80 you can write, what is the value? 10 8 ja. 10 8 ja 80, but we have a factors required. For that we can write minus 10 and plus 80, minus 10 plus 8, but finally we can write it plus and minus. Oppositely we can write, comparing to these values, x value is bigger comparing to 10 comma 8, then our answer is x greater than y. Next question number 67. X square minus 4x minus 192 is equal 0. Take the minus 192. We can write a factors. 14 square minus 2 square is equal to 192. Then 14 plus 2 it is a 16. 14 minus 2 value is 12. 12 to 16 gap is minus 4. So we have to write the final factors. Here the plus and minus is oppositely we can write. And 2 and 6 we can write. Here the factors are 12 comma 18. 12 plus 18 is equal 30 and minus and minus. And we should compare it here. So minus 12 equal minus 12 and minus 18, minus 12 is greater and plus and both are greater. Then finally our answer is x greater than or equal to y, option B. Next, here 2x plus 2y is equal to 4 6 and 2x minus y is equal to 10. Both are subtracted and 2x cancel, 2y minus y it is equal to 3y and 46 minus 10 it is a 36. So 3y is equal to 36, then y is equal to get 12. Then y value will be substituted, you will get x value also. So 2 y value substituted, 12 2s are 24. 24 is removing from the 46, will get here the 22. 2x is equal to 22. That means x is equal to 11. X is equal to 11 and y is equal to 12. Then here the y value is greater than x less than y, option B. And next, so x square minus 19x minus 42 is equal 0. Minus 42. What was the factor? We'll get 6 7 ja or 14 3 ja or 13 4 ja. No, 21 2 ja. Okay, so 21 2 ja, here minus 21 and plus 2, here plus and minus. Both are in opposite, we can write 38 factors are 19 2 ja, and here minus, here minus. 19 plus 2 is equal to 21. Comparing the values here, minus 2 equal minus 2 minus 19, minus 2 is bigger, plus value is always bigger, x greater than or equal to y, option B. Next, 2x square plus 18x plus 36 is equal to 0. Each and every term is 2 will be cancelled. It is becoming x square plus 9x plus 18 is equal to 0. And coming to the factorization, 18 you can write 6 3s are 6 minus 6 minus 6. Here plus plus is always giving minus minus. And from the second equation, 12 wise, what was the factors you can write? Here 6 2s are, and you will get minus minus. Then what was the comparison? Minus 3 minus 2 is a bigger, and here minus 2 is bigger, minus 6 and minus, here the equal and greater. That means x less than or equal to y, then option E here. And we have a questions. So the market price of the account is 25% more than the cost price of account. The AC, the shopkeeper offers two different discounts for regular discount customer and new customer. Assume it cost price is 100, market price is 125. So we have a two type of customers. First person is getting a, so regular customer is getting 10% discount. 10% discount means 12.5 is removing, which will get 112.5. The regular customer purpose, it is sold out for 112.5. Then so regular customer is 15 percentage. So unregular person, that means new customer. New customer getting so 10% discount, and regular person getting how much percentage discount? 15% discount. 10% discount means 112.5. Again this 12.5 half value 6.25. 6.25 removing from the 112.5 will get 106.25. This is a regular customer. This is a regular customer. This is a new customer. So new customer value selling price is 112.5 and regular customer is 106.25. It is becoming 20218.75. This 21.875 is equal to 17,500. We need cost price. Cost price should be equal to how many times? 100 parts. 100 parts value is what? Okay, it is 80 times. Here is also multiplied 80. Will get how much rupees? 8,000 rupees. Option D. Next, ABC together complete a 3/4 of the work. This is 3/4 of the work in 6 days. 3 2 it is a 8 days. Okay, 3 by 4th of work in 6 days means then total work is completed in 8 days. A and C together complete a work 2/5 of the work in 4 4 5 days. So 2/5 of the work 4 4 5 days. 2/5 of the work in 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 it is a 24 by 5. It is a 5 5 will be cancelled. It will complete a work in A and C. A and C will be complete a work in how many days? 12 days. Now as per this simplification, it is a 12 days. 2 12s are and 5 5 cancel. And B and C together completed 55% of work in 6 days. 110% is work in 12 days. 110% is work in 12 days. 10% is work in 12 by 11 days. And 100% is work in 120 by 11 days. This is for whom? B and C. This is belonging to B and C. What I am going to do? I need the C value. For the C alone purpose, what I am doing? This is a A plus C and B plus C both are adding. A plus C, B plus C. A plus C value is 1 by 12 and B plus C value is 120 by 11. This is you can write 11 by 120. From this, A plus B plus C all together we have to remove it. It is 1 by 8. If you are doing this, we'll get a C alone value. This is a plus C, it's a B plus C. A plus B plus C is removing extra C will be there. That is the answer you will get. Then take a LCM of 120 and 12 to 120 10 times minus plus and 120 to 120 one time it is 11 and 8 to 120 15 times. And 10 plus 11 it is a 21. 21 minus 15 it is a 6. 6 to 120 it is a 1 by 20. That means so C alone will be completed total work in how many days? 20 days. Then next, the speed of the stream is 40% less than the speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the stream 40% less. That means it is 60%. It is equal to 3:5. Current speed and boat speed. So 40% less means 60% is there. The 60% is equal to here 60 by 100. We can write 3 by 5. If boat covers 320 kilometers along the stream, along with the stream means downstream, and again as the stream means same boat covers again as the stream means upstream 160 kilometers, then in total journey is how many hours? 24 hours. And plus here we can write 320 downstream. 3 plus 5 8, 8x, and 3 minus 5 it is a 2x, and cancel the values to getting an answer. 8 40 is a and 2 8 is a 80 plus 40. 80 plus 40 is 120. 120 is 12 is dividing to 24, it is a 2 times. Finally you will get x is equal to 5. X is equal to what is the value you will get? 5. Thus then what is the sum of the speed of boat along the stream and again is the stream? Along the stream means downstream. Downstream speed is 8x and again is the stream is 2x. 8x plus 2x 10x. 10x, but x is equal to 5. 5 into 10 is equal to how many kilometer per hour? 50 kilometer per hour. Option B. Next, 74th question. So 73rd question, option B. Coming to the 74th question. There are 8 girls, 10 boys in group. If 2 persons selected random from the group, then what is the probability of that person not boy? Then total 18 boys. From that we have to select 2. So that not boys. Not boys means we have to focus girls. 8C2. We can write 8 into 7 by 18 into 17. Cancel the values. 2 9s are 2 4s are. It is 28 by 153. Then option D here. And next, volume of the cylinder is 7392. Volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. 22 by 7 r square h. Okay, r square h. Side of the square is 50% more than the radius of the cylinder. Radius cylinder value mentioned, but square is 50% more. Side of the square is 50% more, means 3:2. If the perimeter of the square is, so 4a is mentioned. 4a is equal to 84, and 4 to 84 21 times. It is a value is mentioned. A is to r is equal to 3:2. 3 parts is equal to 21, means 2 parts is equal to 14. 7 multiplied, it is a 14. Here 14, here 14. It is the radius of cylinder pi r square h. H we don't know. It is a 7392. And try to cancel the values here. 11 twos are and 11 six are. 11 six are 66. Remaining value is 79, and 11 sevens are 11 twos are. It's going to cancel with 7. 7 twos are 2 twos are 4. 4 is trying to cancel the numbers. 4 ones are 4. Remaining is 27. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24 and 4 8. And cancel with 14 here. 14 ones are and 14 twos are. Height is equal, finally you are getting 12 now. Then after the total calculation, so height is you are getting a 12. The question is they're asking the height of the cone is equal to the height of the cylinder. The radius of the cone is 9 centimeter. Then what is the curved surface area of the cone? This is the cone. So height of the cone is equal to here equal to the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder means here is 12, and cone measurement radius mentioned 12 and 9. This is what this value is required. Slant required. Slant value is what? 12 square value is 144, 9 square value is 81, 12, 144 plus 81 is a 225, it is becoming 15. Then we require the curved surface area. Curved surface area for a formula. So pi RL. What is the formula? Pi RL. 22 by 7 into 9 into L value is 15. Okay. So, and this is mentioned pi as it is. 9 15s are 135. 135 pi. Then option is what? B. Next. So this option is B, and go for the next question. Next question they are asking for. So here statement wise direction 76 to 80. First 76 we'll look at here. How many days does B take to complete the work alone? How many days does B take to complete the work? A works alone for the 3 days. B joins and complete the work in 12 days. And A and C complete the work in 20 days. A works alone for the 3 days, but B joins. We don't know the clear efficiency. We can't enable to getting an answer from statement 1 and statement 2. Then both the statements are not required, not necessarily giving to the final answer. Then option is here what? So here, if the data is given, both the statements are not sufficient. Then option is D. Next, what is the rate of interest? The number of years investment in 3 years for the same rate of difference between the CA and SI is how much rupees? 788. Okay, here is principal they are not mentioned. Okay, and that too for 3 years. So difference is given. Without knowing the principal, you can't identify the what is the rate of interest. It is not possible. That means statement 1 and statement 2 useless to getting an answer. Here is also. So what is answer? Not sufficient to getting an answer. Option D. Go for the next question. 78. 78. Next question. Find the probability of selecting a girl student from a certain class of kids. The total number of students is 50. Okay. So we need to calculate. We have to pick the girl, selecting a girl. But out of 50, we don't know how many number of boys and how many number of girls. So, and boys and girls are in the ratio 2:3 in the class. Then total is 5 parts. Okay. Out of 5 parts, we require to select 1 part. Then particularly we require girls. Girls is 3 parts, 3C1. When you are applying 3C1 by 5C1, 5C1, you will get a final ratio 3 by 5. That means only second data is enough to getting a final answer, not required the first data also. That means, so alone statement 2. First of all, we have to check 1 or 2. So 1 is not possible, but 2 is finally getting an answer, means no need to go for the both. Then first, what is the answer here? Only second statement is enough to getting an answer. If the data is either statement 1 or I don't know, it is a, if the data is given statement 1, and if the data is given statement 2 is alone sufficient. Option B here. Next, yeah, next one 79. Train A can cross a platform same length as that of itself in 12 seconds. In how much time train A cross the 2 poles in 60 meters apart? Then coming to the first statement, look at train A can cross 2 poles 100 meters apart in 11 seconds. 100 meter 11 seconds means 60 meters how many parts? It's a direct getting an answer with statement 1. It is a clearly correct. And coming to the second statement, clearly mention the speeds. When you have a length and speeds, you can easily find out whatever the answer is required. Then you will get a statement 2 is also clearly getting an answer. That means 1 is useful and 2 is also useful with alone. That means either our statement is completely work out here. Either statement 1 or statement 2 is sufficient to getting an answer. Let's move for the next one, 18th. So if diameter of circle is increased by 25%, what will be the area of the circle? The circumference of the circle is mentioned. One circumference of circle they are mentioned, then 2 pi r. Once you know the 2 pi r value, you can get a radius. Once your radius value get it, you will get an area also. That means statement 1 is clearly mentioned. Area of the circle is mentioned, then you can get the directly answer what is the area of circle is required. Then statement 1 and statement 2 is both are sufficient to getting an answer with a combination of r. Here the condition is what? C here. Option C is satisfying getting an answer.